In this video, I'll guide you through how to embed a type form in an email. If you've ever wanted to streamline your communication by embedding interactive forms right within your emails, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid grasp on how to seamlessly incorporate a type form into your email, making your messages not only more engaging but also more efficient. To start, you'll need to head over to typeform.com. This is where you're going to log into your account or sign up if you haven't already. Typeform is a fantastic tool for creating interactive forms that can be used for surveys, quizzes, or any other type of data collection you might need. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're new to the site. Next, it's time to select the form you'd like to embed. If you've already created a form, you'll see it listed on your dashboard. Simply click on the form you want to work with. If you haven't created one yet, you might want to pause here and take a few minutes to set up a form that suits your needs. Once your form is ready to go, click on it to open it up. Now look towards the top of the page and find the Share button. This is your gateway to making your form available to others. Click on this button to open up a variety of sharing options. You'll see multiple choices here, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're focusing on embedding in an email. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option that says Embed in an email. Click on this option. Typeform provides a simplified process for embedding your form, making it easily accessible to your email recipients. It's a great way to collect responses directly from an email without directing your recipients to a separate web page. After selecting Embed in an email, you'll see a button labeled Start Embedding. Go ahead and click on this. Typeform will generate a snippet of HTML code specifically formatted for embedding your form into an email. This code is optimized to ensure your form is displayed correctly across most email clients. The final step is to click on Copy Code. With this action, you're copying the HTML code to your clipboard. This code is what you'll paste into your email client. Depending on the email platform you're using, you'll need to find the option to enter HTML content. Paste the code into the body of your email, and your typeform will be embedded and ready to engage your recipients. Remember, while embedding forms in emails is a powerful tool, it's important to test how your email looks in different email clients. Some email services might handle HTML differently, so always do a quick test sent to yourself or a colleague to ensure everything displays as intended. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a typeform into your email. This simple integration can greatly enhance your email interactions, making it easier for your audience to respond to your surveys or questionnaires. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other videos for more tips on making the most out of Typeform. Thanks for watching and happy embedding.